In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Hulu to a Vizio smart TV. So if you've just bought a new Vizio TV or you're setting up a streaming apps for the first time, getting Hulu installed only takes a few minutes. Since this requires a physical Vizio TV and Vizio remote, I won't be able to show you how, so listen carefully as I explain each step so you know what to do and what to expect. So most newer Visual TV use something called the SmartCast. So with SmartCast, Hulu is usually already available right on the screen. So just press the V button or the home button on your Vizio remote to bring up the Smart Cast menu. And from there, you should see a Hulu in the list of available apps. All you need to do is highlight it, press OK, and then either log in with your existing Hulu account or sign up if you're new. So if for some reason you don't see a Hulu on your SmartCast screen, you can also cast it from your phone. So just make sure your phone and your Vizio TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then after that, open the Hulu app on your phone, pick a show or movie, tap the cast icon and select your Vizio TV. And then the TV or the video will play right on your television. So for older Vizio smart TVs that don't use SmartCast, you may have to go through the Vizio Internet Apps Plus store. So press the V button on your remote, open the apps menu, and then look for the Hulu. So if it's available, install it and log in the same way. So once Hulu is added, you can find it anytime on your TV's home screen and stream right away. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.